Alright guys, so we got our JLT oil catch can here. Seems to be constructed fairly well. It has all the correct fittings that we need. That's just going to plug into all the correct spaces where it has to go. Includes your catch can. This little mount here is also a couple stainless steel screws there as well. Sticker and some instructions here. This really shouldn't take us too long, but this is overall what the kit consists of. I got this from Just Bolt-Ons. If you're in Canada like me, unfortunately they're not shipping to Canada, so I use a service called cross-border pickup. I ordered this and the Hellwick sway bar. It got delivered to a United States address, and in the long run it costed me $70 to get it shipped over to Canada here as well, to my door. So I didn't have to pay any absurd UPS charges or like brokerage fees to UPS or anything like that. So just a heads up if you're looking to order this through Just Bolt-Ons. So on that little white connector there, all I did is a longer flathead screwdriver is I went over and I pushed in on the tab here, and I pulled at the same time to release that tab there. I can't do it with one hand and hold the camera. So take your long screwdriver, push that in and pull off, and it's just going to pop off. So I already have it loose there. We'll just kind of pop that off because it is loose now. And it just comes off pretty easy there. And this is the other end of that hose there as well. So this piece here connected to the top piece here. So just so you see how it was sitting on there but securely before. So all I did to remove that here was take your finger and push this piece all the way over and pull on it gently, and it'll just pop right off there for you. So we got a 10mm bolt there. Let's go ahead and loosen that off. And that little 10mm bolt there, that's where the bracket mounts for the catch can itself there. And just mounting the catch can, your two screws there. They just, obviously get secured in there to that bracket there. Screw them down there. Perfect. And obviously we have a short hose which goes to here, and your long hose goes to the other spot there. So let's go ahead and connect that on there. Should just be able to push it in. It should lock into place. Same thing with our other one. I'm just going to go behind that sensor wire there. A little bit closer in there to see. Alright, click a little bit so it's on there. So she's on there, just giving it a little tug on both of them. Make sure they're nice and secure, they're not going to be going anywhere. And that's how we have our JLT catch can installed there.